Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the theme of Ikea. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the bottom of your screen and press on your account there. Now you can just look in the top of your right corner and press on the settings. Once that is done, you can just scroll down and press on theme. And here you can change the theme. You can see that right now it is set to automatic, so meaning that it will have either a light or a dark theme depending what kind of environment are you in. And if you want to set it manually, you can change it to the light. As you can see, this is how it's going to look like on the light theme. Now I personally prefer the dark theme, so I'm just going to leave it on that, but it's up to you which one you want. You just need to press on it. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.